What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you, which is going to be perfect for restaurants. It's this specific ad that I'm going to show you all how to do is really good for restaurants that want to capture as much attention as humanly possible right now during this whole pandemic. If it's one thing that I've seen is that a lot of my friends, a lot of business owners, a lot of restaurateurs are closing down. They're closing their doors because this whole pandemic has literally just revamped itself. It's, if you look at it on a graph, it's like a V. It went down and it went straight back up. So this is very alarming because businesses, local restaurants cannot withstand another shutdown, and they cannot lose any more customers. And now we're seeing a lot of people that are closing their doors because there's a lot more cases that are coming up. So with this ad, I've had very good success with this ad. It's pretty much captures attention within a 1 to 2 to 3 mile radius. And I want to show you exactly how to do it, because this could literally mean the difference between keeping your lights on another week, another day, another month, just to weather the storm that everybody's going through right now. So is it counterintuitive for me to show you exactly what I do? I don't think so. I think right now I need to be able to use my skills to help out as many people as I possibly can, so there is a restaurant community in the future. And I think this will help you capture as much attention as humanly possible, especially pushing curbside, takeouts, anything, even delivery with your favorite delivery apps. So I'm going to jump in to my screen. Let me show you exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so we're here in front of my ads manager, and this is the back end of Facebook. So you all will need an ads manager to be able to do this. So let me jump here and show you exactly what I'm going to do. So this is for a barbecue restaurant in the local area, and what I'm going to do is, here's their Facebook page. You can check it out real fast. And I'm going to use this right now for something very specific. I'm going to show you how to step-by-step guide of how to do this. So this is your ads manager right here, and I'm going to pick the video views objective. The reason I'm picking video views objective is because it's relatively inexpensive to reach a ton of people with the video views objective. So let's continue on to the next step. Now pay attention to what I'm doing here, because this is very important. Let me just do this right here. Come on, my computer's running a little bit slow today. All right, so this is very important right here. What I'm going to do is I'm picking in my location bracket. I'm going to pick people recently in this location. And the reason you want to do that is because it'll capture it. Facebook pretty much knows everybody that's in that area that's been driving by if you have your location on. And most people have their location on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to jump back onto my Smoking Moon page, and I'm actually going to grab the address from right here. Just go ahead and highlight that, copy, and we're going to paste it down below, and it'll pop this up right here. Just go ahead and click OK. And what it's going to do is it'll show you a 10-mile radius here. Let me jump in here a little bit closer. So as you can see, we're way down here in South Texas, but this will work anywhere because everybody's pretty much on Facebook. So right here it's showing within a 10-mile radius. I don't want a 10-mile radius. What I'm going to go down to is a 2-mile radius, and it's going to start capturing people that were within this area, within the 2-mile radius, that are between the ages there. I'm going to go for an older demographic here. I'm going to keep it from 28 to 52 years old. I'm going to keep it all genders. You have the option to be able to do this in your ads manager. You can click women, men, all. So we're just going to keep all. And I'm going to keep this detailed targeting wide open. So you can see that has a potential reach of 76,000 people. And I'm going to show you why I kept it open in a bit. Languages, I'm going to keep that there. All right, so automatic placements. I always, 90% of the time, I'll click the automatic placements because Facebook really knows how to serve their ads and optimize it. So we're going to go for a lifetime budget of, let's do $100 throughout the week. So we'll just do it until Saturday, 8 p.m. Now here's another important part that you need to also optimize for, is the ad scheduling. You can only do this on lifetime budget. So we're going to run ads on a schedule. The reason we're doing this is because we want this to be able to show these ads during the opening hours. So it's going to be from 11 a.m. Monday through Saturday until 8 p.m. There we go. Now if I'm going through this a little too fast, just go ahead and rewind and you can go right back and just figure all this out. So keep in mind, this is a video views objective because I want to be able to capture as many video views as possible. And actually I'm going to go back because I did forget something. There are through views. Through view counts each view of a video for 15 seconds, and I want to change that up. Man, my computer is running really slow today. Okay, here we go. And I'm actually going to edit this. I'm going to do for two-second continuous video views. I want as many video views as humanly possible. So here we go, continue, let's go to this. And then we will click our Instagram page as well. This is where you'll pick your identity. And we're going to start creating an ad. So we're going to add our video. We're going to pick a video that I created before for them, and it's for a delivery option. So here we go. Let this load for a second. And now we have it in here. You'll be able to see what it looks like right here. If it ever loads, here we go. Okay, just double check everything works good. Alright, cool. So let me pop up my script that I already had for this, which is going to be the primary text. Highlight that, bring it down, and paste it in here. Just make sure everything's correct. Delivery, you can now get Smoking Moon delivered straight to your door with the Favor app. Alright, so this is optimized for video views. So what this is going to do is it's going to literally be served to people between 11 and 8 p.m. that have been within that area within those 2 miles, and it's going to serve them an ad. So it's going to run from Monday through Saturday. It's going to serve them these ads, but that's not all. So let me submit this real quick so y'all can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to submit, confirm, and then we're confirming our items. Now I'm going to show you another very powerful tool, which is the retargeting tool on Facebook. So now we're going to set up a new campaign at the ad set level. So it's just video views for Smoking Moon. Yep. Okay. Now let's go in and create one at the ad set level. Now what this is going to do is every time that this video view, the one that we just set up, every time it's shown to somebody, we're going to place a retargeting. I don't know if it's going to be a video or no, it'll be a static image. So every time that video, somebody views that video that we just finished setting up, right, now they're going to be served another static image, which is just an image showing them that we are available for pickup, for dine-in, for takeout, for delivery. And let me jump in here so I can show you exactly how I'm doing this. I'm going to create the new campaign, and I want people to actually engage with this content. Just going to go back in here, continue. Now it's set up for engagement. I'm going to retarget this audience. Now here's the very important part. You see this custom audience right here. This is one of the best tools that Facebook has to offer. So we're going to go into create new. We're going to create a custom audience. I'll show you exactly how this works. So we're going to create a custom audience from video views. So all those people that watched that video before that we had just set up, now they're going to be thrown into a retargeting bucket and they're going to be shown this specific content. So engagement type, we want them to at least see, we're going to do 3 seconds of it. I need to capture as many people as possible. And we can go here to Smoking Moon. So here we go. Here's that delivery video. We're going to confirm it. And now we get to pick in how many days that we're going to show them this. So I'm going to do just a 1-day retargeting, just to capture as many people as possible. So it's going to take about 30 minutes for the audience to set up, but while we're at it, we can still work on this ad and push it out. So I'm going to leave this wide open, but I'm just going to put it in the McAllen DMA. So whoever gets that view, whoever gets that video served to them is now going to get this static image. And I could just leave all that stuff open and not actually have to put the DMA, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So here we are. We don't need any detailed targeting. We'll do a lifetime budget of $75. Oh, I see why. Okay, so we're going to actually go here. PM, do 8:30, do $75 ad budget. There we go. Now we're going to select, actually we're going to create a new ad. Come on. Pick our Smoking Moon page. And now we can add media. We'll add a very specific picture so we can show off all the barbecue. Wow, my computer is running really slow today. Come on. With this image is a little dark. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, let's give it a little pop of color. Just do original. Boom. Keep it right there. Okay. Now this is where we'll put our text. Wow, my computer is running really slow. Okay, here we go. Don't feel like cooking today. Get it delivered. Come on. Actually, let me get this whole address here. Come on. Okay. Go. Boom. Don't forget to cook it, pick it up, get it delivered. On your order. Boom. Okay. Okay. And then let's submit. Boom. So now, as you can see, I set up the ads, and it's kind of just a tiny little Facebook ads funnel. So every time somebody sees that originally first video, they're going to get served this other ad right after, just to remind them, hey, we're available for takeout and for delivery. And that's pretty much it. This one specific ad I've had great success with both of these restaurants that I run it for, and it's something that I'm going to continue doing because I see a lot of people are struggling right now, and I think giving them this information is really beneficial for them, because who knows how long the restaurant industry is going to last. I mean, latest statistics are people are closing down their doors. Everything that I'm seeing, everything that I'm hearing from other local businesses, they're closing down because they're scared of this thing. They're scared of this virus, and they don't know what's going to happen. So implement this. If you have a Facebook ads manager, if you don't, figure out how to get one done. Implement this little strategy, and it's going to help you. I guarantee you, it's helped my customers, it's helped my clients, and it's only something that's beneficial for your business, and it's cost effective versus spending money on the radio or on billboards or something right now, because everybody's money is tied up. They're holding on to as much as possible. But if you're a DIYer, you can do this yourself and figure out how to do this with this step-by-step little guide. And I wish you the best. Let's keep trudging along, and we're going to get past all this. See you guys later.